Hi, my name is Michelle Emiliani, and on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make 3 recipes that are so versatile with a star ingredient, egg. If you're trying to make your life easier in the kitchen, you are in the right place because cooking shouldn't feel overwhelming. It should feel like something you can actually enjoy. And for the first recipe, the ingredients are tomatoes, butter, onion, eggs, salt, and pepper. I start by finely chopping the onion, taking my time to get those small, even pieces that will melt beautifully into the dish. Then the tomatoes. Now I'm gonna start making my huevos pericos. First, turn on the stove into medium heat. Place your pan. Take your butter, about 1 tablespoon. The butter is already melted. Add the onions. Add the tomatoes. I let the onions and tomatoes cook until they become soft and translucent. Once the tomato and the onions are getting cooked, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a bowl. I have my eggs, and I'm just gonna put them here in the bowl. Add some salt and mix. Add some pepper. The onions and tomato are cooked and ready for the next step. I added the eggs into the pan and mix everything together. And my huevo perico eggs are ready, and look at this, how beautiful. If you want to go the extra mile like I did, you can have it with avocado. I put a little bit of pepper on top, and I'm also having it with some bacon, fresh bread. That's it. Okay, let's try this. These eggs are amazing, and you can get creative and have it on top of the bread, just like I did. So good. These huevos pericos are amazing, but wait until you see the next recipe. Let's go. And for the next recipe, I'm making Tortilla Española. And for today's recipe, I'm using onion, potato, extra virgin olive oil, eggs, and salt to taste. First, I'm gonna take the potato I already peeled, and I'm gonna show you how I cut the potatoes to make this specific recipe. So you take the potatoes and you cut it this way. I cut it in half, then slice both halves together, making sure the pieces aren't too thick but not too thin either. For the next step, I'm adding enough extra virgin olive oil to the pan. Time to cook the potatoes. Add some salt. While the potato is cooking, I'm just gonna go with, I'm gonna take the onion and I'm gonna cut it in half. And then I'm gonna cut it in juliennes. And I'm going to add it to the potatoes. And I'm gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes. While the potatoes and onions are cooking, I'm gonna crack the eggs. Add some salt. And I'm taking my time to mix the eggs really well. The potatoes and the onions are ready. Now this part is important. Just take the pan and bring this mixture into the strainer. I want to strain all the oil because I don't want the eggs to be greasy. So you can just let it strain completely. Now that my potatoes and onions are strained, I'm gonna put them into a clean bowl. And I'm adding the eggs into the mixture. Now I'm adding some salt and also a little bit of black pepper. And mix everything really well. In the same pan, I add the egg, potato, and onion mixture. And here I'm wiggling the pan so everything settles evenly. I let it cook over medium-low heat, and I know it's getting close when I can lift the edges with a spatula and it holds the shape. I use a plate to carefully flip it over so the other side can cook evenly as well. Then I slide it back into the pan to finish cooking on the other side. And it's ready. And to finish, I add some fresh chives for a touch of freshness. And the tortilla española is all done, looking so delicious and perfectly golden. Time to try this. And look at these people. This recipe. And for our last recipe, I'm making an omelette. Simple, easy, so delicious, you will love it. Butter, grated mozzarella cheese, tomato, eggs, ham, fresh chives, and salt. I start by cutting the tomatoes into slices. Next, crack the eggs one by one into a bowl. Add salt to taste. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix really well. I'm adding the butter to the pan and let it melt completely. Add the egg mixture into the pan. I tilt the pan so the egg reaches every corner and cooks evenly. The eggs are ready and I add some chives for a touch of freshness. Now I place the ham on one side of the omelette, followed by the tomatoes and the grated mozzarella cheese. With a spatula, I lift the corner and fold it over, creating a half moon shape. I leave it on low heat for about 2 more minutes so that the cheese can melt. Time to plate it. And look how beautiful this omelette looks. And I finish it with some chives on top. It looks so delicious. I'm ready to try this. I absolutely love this recipe. It's so delicious, it's so good, and so versatile because you can have it for brunch, for lunch, for dinner. It's really, really good. And it's so easy to make with ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen. Which of the 3 recipes was your favorite? Leave a comment below. And subscribe to my channel. See you on the next episode.